Hi, good day. I just want to talk about my remote. As you can see, it's completely not functioning. Although, if you had to put it in and do it manually, you can still unlock the key, the door rather. But I suspect it is the battery. So what I need to do is there's a screw that you've got to take out here, and you have to use a star screwdriver for that. And I'm going to do that and have a look and see where the battery is. Alright, so for this you need a star screwdriver and then a flat screwdriver as well. I have unscrew that, and if you take it out, and then you should be able to try to do it with one hand. There we go. That's the cover is off, and then you have this. So for this, you can either just try and insert something in there to take it off, or you can just push it out from that side, and then you now have the actual place where the remote is. The battery. So the battery should be on this side, so you're going to have to find a way. So if you look carefully, you might have to find a way to insert a screwdriver there, right there. You can even put a coin in there. There is a way where you can then push it up. Alright, so I've put in a flat screwdriver in there, and as you can see, it's lifting. So, and then you're left with the battery that is right there, which you can then take out and then replace it. Alright, so I got the battery out. It's important to remember that the orientation of the battery, the positive side needs to be that way when you put the new battery in. So looking at this, so let's see, it looks like it's a CR1616. That will be the replacement. Alright, so as I was saying, is that this battery that I had here was this CR1616. Fortunately, I couldn't get a one, but I did get a 1620. Now, from what I did some research, this one is slightly thicker, but the diameter is still the same, and this one has got more sort of milliamps. So I'm going to try this because it's kind of a little bit of an emergency, and I need to see if this is going to work. Important thing is, once you put the battery in, everything, click it in, click it out, so everything is sealed again. Alright, so now I'm just going to put it back and quickly test. So here we have, I've put it back, screwed back on. It's all sealed up. Alright, so if we look at, and then, yeah, there we go. This is working perfectly now. So it has been a battery, and I don't seems to have a problem with the 1620. 1616 is obviously the recommended one, but if you can't find it, then the 1620 will do. Thank you for watching.